Debt buyer versus debt collector. Know the difference or get sued twice. They say you own a debt. Wait, who exactly is suing you? The hidden trap. Debt buyers versus debt collectors. This is why you lose in court. If you've ever been sued or harassed by a debt collector, listen up. You might think a debt buyer and a debt collector are the same thing, but legally they're not. And if you don't know the difference, you lose every time. So this is how the game works. Debt collectors chase you for payments. Debt buyers actually own the account after buying it for pennies on the dollar. So the problem, 99% of people don't know which one they're dealing with. So they respond the wrong way or not at all. Not good, guys. Debt buyers sue, debt collectors collect. But when you treat both the same, you give up your rights without even knowing it. So you could be sued by a company you never signed a contract with and still lose, all because you didn't ask the right legal question. So here's what you need to know. A debt collector is someone collecting on behalf of another company. The original creditor still owns the debt. A debt buyer purchases the account, meaning they claim to own it right. So the difference determines everything you're about to do in your defense strategy. So under the FDCPA, which is the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, both are considered debt collectors, but the courts treat them differently when it comes to proof of ownership, validation, and chain of title. Most debt buyers can produce the original signed agreement, complete payment history, or assignment document showing how they legally obtained the account. And that's your golden ticket. Because if they can't prove ownership, they can collect, period. So inside of Forbidden AI, guys, I'm teaching you guys how to use AI to spot these violations instantly with one prompt, build legal arguments that demand proof of assignment, proof of ownership, verification under 12 CFR 1006.34C. You can go and Google it, right? And a deletion under 15 USC 1681 S2 if they cannot validate, right? We're using case laws like the Forbidden AI program. We talk about using and generating case law, debt validation request, discovery demands, affidavit templates, all backed by federal laws and case laws like Hinkle versus Midland or Norman versus TransUnion. It is powerful stuff that I'm teaching you guys. So if you've ever been in contact with a debt buyer or a debt collector and didn't know what to do, now's your chance to fight back using AI, using consumer law, using case laws, artificial intelligence. I am hosting a 5-day Forbidden AI challenge. You are getting a free general admission ticket. Yes, you heard me right. You're getting a free general admission ticket to my Forbidden AI 5-day challenge that goes down. You're going to ask me for the date, the time. Guys, just click the link below. Every question that you need answered, I promise you, it will be answered once you click the link below. See you on the challenge. See you soon. Peace.